What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the track to Sledge, Team Karali, and an armor Fright 6S RTR EXB.
Well done.
What I'm gonna do, I felt like bringing out my 3 Truggies just to run them. Plus, not to mention, I just fixed the Sledge, changed the front and rear diffs and the center. Got this power hobby center spur gear on here. Just want to see how she holds up. 16 tooth pinion. Running these is actually the Savage tires. And from what I'm seeing, they held out pretty good. Just want to give it a shot. Let's get into it. I kind of think I'm gonna blow these tires. Names to be seen. You know I gotta start off on the concrete. Start off here. Grass is high today. You don't hear too much about the Sledge no more. Unless somebody got this made into a sledgehammer. Sledge is pretty good though. Nice platform. I know it's all over the place. Handle grass pretty good. Let's see how I handle loose gravel. Man, I'm surprised these tires is holding out. Because for one, I blew them. I actually blew them and re-glued them. And I'll show you. Ooh. There we go. Yeah, we glued that right there. Actually pull it out. Kinda not fair. But this ain't really a comparison. Oh no, this Sledge is killing it right now. Still factory, all factory in every vehicle. This is running the VXL system. Changed out the servo though. I picked up pretty good on this deep gravel. The grass is a little high here. These tires give us some nice air control. I want like a crazy jump. I'm gonna get it today, huh? There you go. It held out for a little while. Then we got the Kagama. Yeah, tighten the servo saver up still. Still not giving me what I want, but then bring the right tools for that. I always had a problem with Team Karate servo savers because it's like you can it's adjustable, but it always slips. Just gotta get it on point. Like with my Sledge, I got a good servo in there. But I got it to stay down though. Y'all see how it's staying down. Why I keep going over there to that tree stump? Didn't make it. Let's try some jumps, see if I can get this. Find my spot. See what I can do. This steering is really messing me up. That's one of my... If I can get the right spot. You can do better than that. Gonna be able to make it. Try to jump off this tree branch. See if I can get it level. Getting all kinds of rocks in my shoes.
Perfect.
Oh. Now let's pull out the Kraton. Ooh. Now we got out the Kraton. Let's do that on 100%. Stop playing around. See, that's what I'm saying. Stand on this is on point. Out the box. Handle the grass with ease. Oh shoot. About to go in the street. This one, I gotta take it easy on them jumps. Is a beast. Beast. I'm gonna avoid the tree stump right there. I don't know. I don't trust this car fully yet. Yeah, but out of the group, this is the fastest. Skid? Oh no, we got it. This thing, man, Kraton is really my favorite. Not there. Not there. Stop jumping. I'm not going to jump in there. No more jumps.
Outstanding.
Yeah, I'm finished. Yo, all these cars perform excellent. Only problem I had was the Kagama and that was steering servo saver. It can be adjusted. I gotta tighten that up. I believe I need another servo, but I'm not 100% sure. It might be just a servo saver. But that's the only problem I had. But it still was minor. I still got to get off on it. And Sledge performed great. Just blew that tire up, which I showed you the results. I fixed it, glued it up, and it broke off where I glued it at. But it held up pretty good for a while. It held up pretty good. As for the Kraton, I wasn't as hard on it with the jump, so it's not as durable as the rest of the rigs, to me. But it's still one of my favorites. So what we got, we get the Sledge a 10. We give the Kagama a 10. And the Kraton definitely gets a 10. I hope you enjoyed that video. More coming soon. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. And I'm out.